Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your device compatibility and signing into the Palm Store. This ensures purchases and downloads attached to your account. Once signed in, make sure network access and required permissions are enabled so the store can update listings and download packages. If you created a new account, verify your email before proceeding. This avoids interruptions during purchase or restore. Now open the Palm Store app and land on the home screen so you can begin searching and installing. You'll search or browse categories to find the app you need, applying filters for price, rating, and device compatibility to narrow results quickly. Once you select an app, read the description, required permissions, and recent reviews so you understand functionality and privacy implications. Also check version history and the developer's update policy to predict long-term support. When satisfied, tap Install or Buy and follow on-screen prompts for payment or confirmation. The store manages download and verifies integrity during installation. You'll watch the download and then grant runtime permissions at first launch so the app functions correctly. This step prevents feature failures later. Once installed, configure necessary settings and sign into any in-app accounts, then test the main features to confirm everything works. This is how you catch issues early. If installation or updates fail, free up storage space, retry the download, clear the store cache, or reboot the device. These actions resolve most common installation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.